Hey guys, today I've got a Gulf Coast Naples ceiling fan. It is 56 inch, an antique brass with oak high gloss blades. This fan has a contrast stack motor. It is not American made, it was made in Taiwan. This fan is from 1987, and it's a pretty good fan. Has a rubber flywheel, of course. This is very similar to the fan that Daniel Groundwater has in his foyer. His YouTube name is Romex521. But this fan is in a lot better mechanical shape. This one has no issues. So, what we're going to do today is I'm going to show it on the 3 factory speeds. And also I've got it on a 4-speed Casablanca wall control, so we'll do that too. We'll go ahead and start it out on the factory speeds, starting with low. And medium. And high. Slight wobble, but no big deal. It moves a great amount of air. It does have a slight hum, but it's nothing too bad. Alright, we're going to shut it off at the control and let it coast down a little bit before we start it on low on the control. I'm not going to do a spin down time. I don't like doing spin down times because they take forever. I don't like standing around awkwardly for 3 minutes while this thing slows down. So we're gonna go ahead and start it up on low on the control Casablanca. It's a 5, 10, 15 microfarad control, just like a lot of 4-speed controls that aren't the slider type. I think Homestead, Beverly Hills, Lightolier, and Casablanca are all 5, 10, 15 microfarad. So this is just a little slower than the factory low speed. We'll go to medium on the control. which is just a little slower than the factory medium. I got this fan off of Craigslist, excuse me, a few years ago. When I got it, it was pretty dirty, especially the blades, but cleaned those up and those are now all shiny and glossy. Okay, medium high. When I got this fan, it had a really long down rod on it, so of course I had to take that off. And the canopy on this fan is really cool. It's a two-piece canopy, and the bracket is the mounting bracket is actually molded into one side of the canopy. It's actually a really good design. And they still use that canopy today on the Gulf Coast Renaissance, which is the Victorian copy. And now high on the control, which is just, you know, the factory high. And you've already seen that, so go ahead and shut it off. Alright folks, see you next time.